Okay, so I'm going to talk you through how to rethread an overlock in the easiest way, because I know for some people this is something that scares them quite a lot. So everyone's overlocker is going to look slightly different. It's going to have different pictures on it, but they all essentially work the same. So this one is already threaded up with navy, but for this project that I'm doing, I need black. So I'm just going to go ahead and snip the threads at the top, just like that. Take out the 4 cones. Then I'm going to get my black, which is the right colour for this project, and I'm just going to put the cones on here. So what you want to go ahead and do is grab the end, bring it through the top, and then we're going to knot it onto the thread from the previous one, and then hopefully we can pull them through to rethread it. Obviously sometimes this doesn't always work and they can snap along the way, but it gives you a bit of a helping hand to get started. So that's my orange thread. And you want these knots to be quite tight so that they're not going to come out straight away when we start to pull the threads. It hasn't gone very well, I'll do that one again. Okay, great, and then just the green one to do. Okay, so that's not tight enough. Yeah, that's tight enough. Right, so I'm going to take this compartment off the front, make sure the foot is up, and I'm just going to gently start to pull those threads through. Now they might just need a little bit of a helping hand getting through the tension here. Okay. So sometimes they can just get stuck in the tension here, so you might just need to give them a gentle ease through there. Sometimes it helps if you lift them up and put them down the other side. Try not to undo anything further down. Let's try again and see if that works. There we go, so it's here. So you're always going to have to thread the needle no matter how small your knots are, because you're not going to be able to pull the knot through the needle. So if I just pull that through, not quite get them right at the time. And then this looks like it's got caught in that a little bit. Once you kind of get used to your overlocker, you'll know the certain bits that it gets jammed in, caught in, you'll kind of get used to it. Well, that looks like it's a bit caught there. So you want to be as gentle as you can. You don't want to kind of yank it through, because then the thread will just snap. So as gentle as you can, you kind of want to tease them through. Right, I've got the black through on both the bottom. So all that's left to do now is just thread the 2 needles at the top. Right, that's the orange one, so that's my left needle. And this is my blue, so that's the right side. So I'm just using the picture here, which will tell me which side is which. So the two dots indicate which colour thread goes on the left and which colour thread goes on the right. Oh, I've threaded that twice now and it keeps falling out. Let's try it one more time. I'll just try and snip the end off in case it's got a bit fluffy and see if that helps. There we go, all threaded, ready to go.